If you can picture the chair structure in your head, but then it falls apart when you try and draw it, the hill and valley method is the right method for you. This approach starts with the shape first and fills in the details later. Hey there, OChemNinjas. A quick note about this video series here at the beginning. This video is one of a series of several videos that give you an alternative method for drawing cyclohexane chair structure. If the standard OChemNinja method for drawing chair structures still works for you, then keep using it. That's the method I use and the method I recommend on exam. This video is for students who tried that method and still feel stuck. What I'm about to show you will give you the exact same chair, same angles, same bonds, everything, just built in a different method. The difference with the hill and valley method is where you start drawing the chair. This method starts with the silhouette of the chair. If you're a visual thinker, this often feels more natural. You're sketching the shape first before worrying about the details. As the name suggests, for step one, we draw a very shallow hill and a very shallow valley. They should be almost touching each other, but not quite. They shouldn't be stacked on top of each other. They shouldn't be touching, and the bottom of the valley should not overlap with the top of the hill. This forms the outline and the silhouette of the chair, and it should be very gentle. For the chair flip, we draw the same shallow hill and valley, just with the valley on the opposite side of the hill. For sure, it will take some time getting good shallow hills and valleys, but once you have that down, you're ready to finish the chair. To finish the chair, we just connect the hill and the valley with diagonal lines. And the same thing with the chair flip. We're not inventing the angles here, we're just finishing the outline we've already started. Step 3, add the axial bond. Axial bonds are always straight vertical, and they always alternate up and down on every other carbon. It's easiest to start with the corner carbons because the up corner carbon has an up axial and the down corner carbon has a down axial, and the same is true for the chair flip. From there, the axial groups alternate up and down on every other carbon. Step 4, equatorial bonds. Almost horizontal, but not quite. They always point in the opposite direction as the axial bonds on the same carbon. For a carbon with an axial up bond, the equatorial will be down, and for a carbon with an axial down bond, the equatorial will be up. For the central carbons, the equatorial group points towards the corner to which it is the closest. The equatorial groups on the right will point towards the right carbon. And the same is true for the chair flip. The down corner has an up equatorial, and the up corner has a down equatorial. The equatorial groups on the left will point closest to the left corner carbon, and the equatorial groups on the right will point toward the right corner carbon. When you're done, the chair structure should be indistinguishable from the chair drawn using the regular OChemNinja method. Same shape, same perspective, same bond direction. This method works especially well if you naturally think in shapes and outlines. You're telling yourself, I know what this chair looks like, and then you're letting the chemistry fill in the rest of the bonds. Same chair, just a different mental starting point. If this hill and valley method works for you, great, stick with it consistently. Don't change methods mid-exam. Pick one and trust it. If you want to review the main OChemNinja method for drawing chair structures, I have a link to that video in the description below. Or you can check out the other videos in this series to see other alternative chair drawing methods. You don't need beautiful, perfectly drawn artistic chair structures yet. You just need a method that feels stable. I'll see you in the next video, Ninja.
Thanks for joining us today, Ninjas. Be sure to watch these other videos to level up your ninja training even more. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.